Does your existing shop floor solution enable you to manage resources effectively and reduce reaction time to critical events? If your shop floor isn't digitalized yet, you may be missing critical information you need to manage your operations in the best way possible. You need a solution that will help direct your focus where it is needed most. You need Matics. Matics continually aggregates and analyzes all shop floor data in real time, giving you decision-ready insights, call-to-action capabilities, and full management control. We do this by analyzing data, alerting you when actions need to be taken, and giving you management tools that let you automate work processes and reduce response time to critical events. We call this real-time operational intelligence, and it was designed for manufacturers that want to digitalize their plant, improve communications, optimize resource management, automate processes, and improve their productivity and profitability. By giving you full transparency, decision-ready insights, automation capabilities, and helping you focus your attention in real time, use Matics to enhance communications and manage tasks, like messaging a technician about a malfunction, alerting the shift manager when operating below threshold, or shifting work orders in real time when production is not going according to plan, so you always meet your goals. Matics' advanced manufacturing digitalization solution gives you the insights you didn't know you need, so you can transform your shop floor with ease. Digitalize your shop floor today with Matics.